Hi again. So last time we have talked about application insights, and I said that we are going to see an advanced way to log our events inside our application using the application insights SDK. So first thing to do is to add the application insight SDK to our solution. So we go to manage NuGet package, and we are going to download the Microsoft Application Insights .asp.NET Core. Else you can right click and go to add, and here application insight telemetry. If you have already added like me, you will see that here it's already configured. So this is the first step. The next step is to go to startup.cs, and here under configure services we are going to add services add application insight telemetry. Good. Now for this demo I have added a button which is a like button. So each time you are going to click on this like button, it will redirect you to another page. Why I have added this button? Just to track how many likes and from which country, and to get more data about this button that I have added right here. You can see that this is the like button that I have added here, and when I click right here it will redirect me to this message. So let's close this. How I can add this, and later you are going to open the Azure portal and see how I made this work. So first thing, we go to index, and I have added this part here when I just have a simple form that contain an input with the submit button, and inside the controller here I have this action result that contain the like action which will be tracked like this. I have initialized it first. You need to initialize the telemetry client, and you add it here to the controller, and later you can use it anywhere you want. For example, here inside the like button I am adding it right here. So each time I will have a like button, it will be tracked right here. Also I have added one more inside the delete action. It will be tracked like here, and the track even name is here delete clicked, and the track even name here is like clicked. We will see why this track even is called even name. So those were the first steps. So right now let's see how we can track this and see more details inside the portal of Azure. Follow me. So as you can see here, I am inside the client to do application, and here I am going to transaction search, and I'm going to here you can see all the transactions and the requests that you have, and you can right click inside if each of these requests and see write data about it, and how much time the response time took it, and many other things. For our case here we are going to look for even name, and let's select all here, and here I'm going to look for, let me copy the even name which is like clicked. Okay, and hit enter. As you can see here, for the last 24 hours I have a couple of click events. They are 6 exactly, as you can see here, and inside this group of result which tell me that the country of these clicks is Tunisia. And if I click here I can go and see each click, actually not from here, from the results. Let me click on this one, the first one, and you can see the click, this click right here, and you can see the request name, the response code, and the request URL of this click event. You can see everything from here, and you can collect more data about these clicks right here. You can see you can have many charts here, like line charts, area charts, and you can see even more insights when you click. Like here we have one session which is me, and two users have done this click, one from Tunisia and 5 from Tunisia, and one is indefinite. And you can see the users, the sessions, the count from here. Let me go back a bit. What else we can see here? Let's look for the last 30 days. Maybe you have more advanced insights. Okay, so here we have all the events, and even the duration of the event, each event, and you can perform more tracing and profiling on each click. Let's go and check the other event, which is delete. Click it, hit enter. Okay, if we click here, we can see all the events that we have. For example, let's click the difference between the like button and the delete button, that the like button is inside the client application, but the delete button it goes through the proxy and then to the API. So this is why inside each event we have a lot of steps. So you can see here we have the request, and you can see the request and the URL of the request here, and you can see inside each of steps here calling the proxy, and you can see here we have information about the click, which is from the device type, which is PC, and you can get more detailed information from here if you are that interested about this data, which is I think very interesting to know what's going on inside your application, and what people are clicking on, and when, and how many clicks went right, and from where, and all this data can be collected later from the application insights. So this was the part about adding the SDK to your application insight, and from here you can explore more and focus more on your events inside your applications and your inside your actions. Thank you. I hope this was helpful, and the next step is going to be DevOps to our projects. Thank you.